So let's talk about what tools we need today for the herb drying basket. First off, some good basketry shears. Some people prefer to use pruners, and they work just as well too. Work really good with willow basketry. But for today's project, either one of these, and I usually end up using these. This is a heavy-duty weave right packing tool, and it's one of those things that you have to have. So the last thing that we have here is a long tapered awl. Now people say, I've got it now. If it doesn't look like an ice pick, which is actually what this is, it's not going to work. So you need something long and thin that will go in next to ribs, and you'll see that in a minute. But just to start out here, these are the tools that you need for today's project. Okay? First off, 3 of those. Although they won't be stained, they'll be natural. Next off, weavers. Tie-dye weavers to be exact. A pattern, which I'm not going to show you. Some number 8 for your rims, false rims. Some cane for the weaving of the handle. And some black cane for your stakes on the handle.